Look at my chicken. It's a chicken.
Wow.
In second grade.
What's up?
Hey guys, welcome back to Hollis Wyatt's video. So one of Hollis's chicks died last night, and we got her another chick. Where's the chick? She's right here. And her got her chick on her head, and this is mommy's chick. Her wanted this one, and this is my chick who is very still. Look, he's on my shoulders.
I want them to see mine.
And look, he can go on my head.
I'm gonna put mine on my head.
He's very still. My dad said, don't touch my dirt bag until it turns green. And guys, look at that. That mommy's chicken poop.
Where?
Right there.
Ew.
Oh, bad chicken. Let me see your butt. Let me see your butt. Okay, you're good.
I don't think that was, I think that was my chicken.
No, that's your chicken. Pee. Yeah, where are you going?
Oh, don't eat that.
There you go.
Don't eat that.
Hang on. Let me get some these.
Okay, that one is Hi guys, guess what? We got chicks today. And I named my chick, Marble. And what did you name yours?
I don't remember.
Oh my gosh. Come here.
Come here. Oh, where are you
Look
going
at him.
under my pants?
So cute. And then I'm gonna.
Whee!
And she loves me. And I am going to put him on my. Hey, what? Can I hold this one?
Mommy.
What? Can I?
Go over here. This is, we like the chickens very much and we care about them. We play with them. And we also train them to stay. And they'll go near cars and we like them very much. Oh, this is it.
Stop. Make sure it doesn't poop on my head. Oh! I put him upside down on accident. Oh my gosh!
Oh, did you fly?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
He's going to fly.
Try to go on your back. Come. No, stay far away from me. That one's eating grass. Don't know why. My chicken's chill. And that one's Wyatt's and that one's. Caterpillars. One is my chicken. This one is Wyatt's chicken. And this one is Mommy's chicken. It flew. Okay. Guess who's Marble? This one's Marble. This one's, I don't know. Wyatt named that one. And then Mommy named hers. Who did you name yours, Mommy?
Merle.
Merle. Hey, that was my name. And then she can go on my shoulder. Yeah, I don't like. She chills on my head. She loves it. And then every time I get. Ooh, this one's my chicken.